In today's quick guide, I'll show you how you can screen mirror or screencast your iPhone or iPad to your Amazon Fire TV using AirPlay built in. First of all, we will connect both our iPhone or iPad and our Amazon Fire TV to the same Wi-Fi. And after that, it's better if you check the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings on your Amazon Fire TV. And to do that, from the home screen, we will go all the way to the right to the settings option, then go down, select Display and Sound, and then select Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. So now let's open AirPlay and HomeKit, and here we will make sure AirPlay is turned on. You can also customize some other AirPlay settings from here. Now we are all set on our Fire TV. So now grab your Apple device, open the control center, and tap on the screen mirroring option. And on the list, you'll see your Fire TV. Simply tap on it, enter the AirPlay code from the TV screen, and press OK to start screen mirroring immediately. Now you can stream anything that you're doing on your iPhone directly to your Amazon Fire TV, like playing games or watching movies. When you're done mirroring, you can either stop it from your iPhone, or you can also press the back or home button on your Fire TV remote. So that's how simply you can screen mirror your iPhone or iPad to your Fire TV via AirPlay. Let us know your feedback. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more.